Jamadagni was one of the Sapta rishis, or 7 sages. In spite of his great knowledge and intelligence, he was known for his bad temper. One hot summer's day, Jamadagni had stepped out of his ashrama to take a walk. It was only a few steps when he found that the sun, or Surya, was unusually hot. He continued walking. Soon, sweat began pouring down his body and his throat became parched. He became very irritated and angry and shouted at the sun, "Go away! You will burn the earth!" But Surya did not seem to mind at all. He appeared to be bigger instead. This enraged Jamadagni. He rushed back to his ashrama and brought bows and arrows. He started to shoot arrows at Surya. But none of the arrows even touched Surya. But Jamadagni continued to shoot more and more arrows. Surya thought what Jamadagni was doing is unfair. He decided to go down to earth and talk to him. He took the form of a Brahmana and reached Jamadagni's ashrama. When Surya saw Jamadagni still aiming at Surya and shooting arrows, he introduced himself. "Please put your bow down. I am Surya, the sun god. Isn't my heat for the earth a must? None of the creatures on earth would survive without my warmth." "But you're burning me," replied Jamadagni. "I'll give you something that will protect you from my heat," offered Surya. "What is that?" asked the impatient rishi. Then the sun god gave Jamadagni an umbrella to protect him from the heat and a pair of sandals to protect his feet. Thus, Surya teaches us how simple solutions can solve big problems.